Sedgwick County Emergency Management will be testing the outdoor warning sirens at noon today. Sedgwick County outdoor warning sirens are tested every Monday at noon, except holidays and when threatening weather is present. Today we will be testing the alert mode, for 1 minute. The alert mode is a steady tone used for tornado warning. The attack mode is a classic rise and fall sound used for air attack warning in times of war. Outdoor warning sirens are designed to be an early warning device primarily for persons who are outside away from the television and/or radio. Remember, when the outdoor warning sirens sound, take cover, tune into local media, take action. Emergency management officials highly recommend citizens keep a NOAA weather radio in their homes, preferably in the bedroom, with a tone alert for those times when you are not monitoring public media. This broadcast originates from Sedgwick County Emergency Management located at 714 North Main, Wichita, Kansas. WPMQ 391. No action required, test only.
Will also accompany the strongest storms. Looking ahead, showers and thunderstorms are likely on Wednesday. It is too early to determine
A statewide amber has been declared. Repeating, a statewide amber alert has been declared. The Maryville Police Department has requested the activation of an amber alert from Maryville, Indiana, which is 142 miles northwest of Indianapolis. The victim, Xenia Sanders, is a 7-month-old black female, 2 feet tall, 25 pounds, black hair with brown eyes, and last seen wearing a white shirt with a watermelon on the front, and the words, "Grandpa is one in a melon." She has on a diaper and no shoes. Xenia was last seen on Monday, October 11th, 2021 at 5:35 a.m. in Maryville, Indiana, and is believed to be in extreme danger. The suspect, Leandre Nuttall, is a 35-year-old black male, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 150 pounds, black hair with brown eyes, last seen wearing a black coat and black jeans, and driving a silver 2006 Acura TL with Illinois license plates CU 62616. If you have any information on this incident, contact the Maryville Police Department at 219-660-0028 or 911. This concludes the Amber Alert.
At the request of the Illinois State Police. At the request of the Maryville, Indiana Police Department, the Illinois Amber Alert notification system has been activated. The Maryville Police Department has a confirmed child abduction that occurred at 5655 Massachusetts Street in Maryville, Indiana. Xenia Shannon Sanders is a female, black 7-month-old infant, 24 inches tall and weighs 19 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. She is wearing a white shirt with the watermelon on the front, with text that states Grandpa is one in a melon, a diaper and no shoes. The mother of Xenia reported that Leandre Nuttall entered the home through a window without permission, took the child without permission, and fled. Leandre Nuttall is a male black, 35 years old, 5 foot 9 inches and weighs 160 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Leandre Nuttall is driving a grade 2006 Acura TL 4-door sedan with Illinois license plate C6216. suspect is believed to be in Illinois. Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes this Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 521, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Cass, Christian, DeWitt, Logan, Macon, Mason, Menard, Morgan, and Sangamon. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for west central Sangamon County, northeastern Morgan County, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Alexander, or 7 miles southeast of Jacksonville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pleasant Plains. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 68 and 79. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Fulton County, west central Tazewell County, north central Mason County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Havana, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Fulton, west central Tazewell, and north central Mason counties, including the following locations: Liverpool, Little America, Goofy Ridge, and Chautauqua Park. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for western Menard County, west central Sangamon County, southeastern Cass County, northeastern Morgan County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Ashland, or 12 miles southeast of Virginia, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Ashland and Pleasant Plains around 3:40 p.m. Tallulah around 3:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Petersburg, Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Fulton County, west central Tazewell County, north central Mason County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Havana, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Fulton, west central Tazewell, and north central Mason counties, including the following locations: Liverpool, Little America, Goofy Ridge, and Chautauqua Park. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for eastern Marshall County, north central Woodford County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Washburn, or 12 miles southeast of Lakin, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Varna, Toluca, and Winona. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 30 and 40. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern White County in northwestern Indiana, eastern Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, Fulton County, Indiana, Cass County, Indiana, northwestern Miami County, Indiana, south central Stark County in northwestern Indiana, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Monticello to near Delphi to 11 miles northeast of Frankfort, moving north at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Logansport, Rochester, Monticello, Winnipeg, Akron, Walton, Royal Center, Mexico, Lincoln, Pulaski, Ripley, Kewanna, Burnettsville, Fulton, Monterey, Macy, Onward, Climbers, Beardstown, and Maina Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Miami, Pulaski, and Stark. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Logan County in central Illinois, northwestern Piatt County in central Illinois, DeWitt County in central Illinois, south central McLean County in central Illinois, northwestern Macon County in central Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from McLean to Kenny, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Clinton around 5:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Highworth, Downs, and Leroy. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 140 and 145. Interstate 74 between mile markers 142 and 155. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central Illinois. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central Illinois. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 7 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Indiana Harbor, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, and Hammond Marina. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan.